guys! Welcome back to my channel. Let's get to this video. Hindi ko alam paano sisimulan tong video na to kasi ang dami na namang dumadaan at nakatingin sa akin dahil nag-video ako. But anyway, okay. Today guys, I'm gonna show you my new phone. I'm gonna show you my new phone. So I just got this HUAWEI P20 Pro last Tuesday. Yeah, last Tuesday. Gusto ko sana siyang gawa ng unboxing. Kaya lang, ang naging problema is, nakuha ko siya ng gabi. Tapos, may pasok ako kinabukasan until Friday. So, I had to go to work and I don't have time to film. Pag umuwi ako, laging wala nang natural lighting. On my last video, I was using HUAWEI Mate 10 Pro already. Just because I put my iPhone in my treasure box. I have a lot of memories there and I want to forget about everything, but I cannot delete. It's just that my heart is so sentimental that I cannot delete all those memories. I haven't been using it for almost 2 months. 2 months already, yeah. So I was using this HUAWEI Mate. I was using this HUAWEI Mate 10 Pro. It's just an extra phone in our family. But now, yeah, I have my new phone now, and I'm so excited to make new memories. Yeah, new memories. So, I think it's part of moving on. I'm gonna do the unboxing. I'm already using this P20 Pro, but I'm still gonna show you what's inside the box, okay? I really wanted to do this unboxing, pero sobrang wala talaga akong time. Kaya let's do this, wait. Okay, I'm opening it. So when you open, ito na. This is the plastic of the case because the phone comes with a case already. And then I have the SIM card already here because I got, wait, someone is messaging. Anyway, so I have already the SIM card with me because I got this phone from a network. Okay. This is not sponsored, guys. When you open it, the phone will be here like this. Wait. The phone will be like this here. So we're gonna remove the phone first. We're gonna focus on the box. Tapos, okay, it will come with a box like this. And nandito yung, you know, the stick to open the SIM card slot. So this is the one. And then inside will be this manual. And then it will come with a charger, USB-C port charger. And then I have the earphones, and it's USB as well. USB-C as well. Oh, there. And then it will also come with an adapter. I'm already using the adapter. Okay. Yun na lahat ang nasa box. So, let's go to the phone itself. So, it will come with a case. And I got the black color. Okay, here. I got the black color. I actually wanted the pink gold. Nangungulit talaga ako sa kanila na kailangan ko na yung phone, blah blah blah. So binigyan nila ako ng black. Anyway, hindi naman ako masyadong nagrereklamo kasi you know the features of this phone. This phone is really amazing. Sinasabi ko sa'yo, sobrang amazing talaga ng phone na to. Wait. 5 minutes. Sobrang amazing talaga ng phone na to. Alam nyo ba guys, may tatlo siyang camera. You see, you have one camera here, one, wait, yeah, one camera here, one, and the flash. I'm gonna show you, nandito, here is the volume, then the power, and then it comes with a fingerprint scanner, which is really nice. Kasi sometimes I don't want to use yung sa screen lock. Feeling ko nauubos yung battery ko pag ganon. So, hindi ko ginagamit. So, ginagamit ko lang tong fingerprint scanner. And, you know, yung the best here is fingerprint scanner siya, but this will be also your cursor para use mo yung phone, like to go back, to go to the home page, you will use that one. I'm gonna show you some shots that I took from this camera. Meron akong mga shots dito na sobrang ganda talaga, na parang DSLR kuha talaga siya. As in, sobrang nagiging photographer ako dahil sa phone na to. But I'm just so happy kasi nagawa ko na yung unboxing. Kasi kung kaibigan kita, every day I'm telling my friend, I want to do unboxing of this phone. Pero hindi ko talaga nagawa. Pero ngayon nagawa ko na siya. Yay! So happy. Now, I need to finish this video because I need to do some errands. So, maybe you're just gonna go with me to park this car and let's go. Guys! So, ayan. Kakatapos ko lang mag-film. Ngayon, kailangan ko nang i-park yung car. Ayan na! Sobrang ikli lang ng video na finilm ko, unboxing. Kasi, wala talaga akong time eh. Pero dahil love ko ang YouTube at love ko kayo, kahit nagda-drive ako. Ayusin mo naman yung ano ko, stand ko. Ano yan? The remote. Ilapit mong konti dito. Ay, hindi. Ganon. Layo mo. Yan. Yan. Guys, oh my gosh. Ito yung pinakamahirap pala yung parking. Wait. Guys, sobrang ayoko talaga itong parking na to. My God. May nakasunod pa sa akin. Hoy! Thank you, kuya. Kita mo yun? Hindi ko nakita yun. Ito na. Lord. Diyos ko po, Lord. Wait. Yun, nakapasok na ako. Yun, nakita ko na. Sobrang laki kasi nitong car. Alam nyo ba ano to? Pick up to. Malaki pa sa akin. Mabigat pa sa akin to eh. Dito na po tayo, guys. Sa parking. Stand ko, pakitingnan nga. Ayun guys, thank you for joining me today.
Sobrang gilid dito, pero
hindi kasi,
or gitna pa.
na hindi, okay na yan. Ayaw kasi ni ano na madikit sa gilid. Okay guys, bye! Kailangan ko na magsimba. Bye!